Welcome to Balabas G's.
My people, no be small thing o. Tinubu become the Dike Simba na Anambra State. This is the new title ndị Anambra give to Tinubu as he come to commission the new solution city. No be small thing o, my wonderful people. I go play una the video, make una watch. I no get anything to talk o. At the end of the video, make we come see whether we get something to talk for the video. Just watch from beginning to end.
The way we do it, I'm going to count 3 times. I'm going to put it around your neck. First time, second time, and the third time, I will leave it. And I'm going to count in Igbo. Ofu, Igwa. Shall I go ahead? Ita. Ofu. Emwa. Enda. Ana. Ise. Isi. Ogo na amume. Ambia. Ambubi onye. Ndakwasa anya.
I am now Bonavide, son of the soil. One of your sons, I say your own son, maybe my friend and your governor, Soludo, should find me a plot of land for my retirement home. You don't have to move me from the villa for only 1 week. Give me a permanent abode. I'll say, it is well with Anambra. It is well with Nigeria. God bless Federal Republic of Nigeria. May our fighting men and women see victory. We will counter insurgency. We will defeat them. I assure you, this country is blessed. Anambra is part of it. Anambra is rising, and we will rise together. Anambra Kenu. Igbo Kwenu. God bless you. His Excellency, the Governor and the solution. Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo. The First Lady of Anambra State, Mrs. Soludo. Thank you for always being with the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The inspiring support that you have given is deeply appreciated. The Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, Right Honorable Ben Kalu, all the members of National Assembly present. To me, a reflection of our diversity is present here with the presence of the progressive governors, starting with Governor Hope Nsodima, Governor of Imo, Dapo Abiodun, Governor of Ogun State, Governor Babagana Sulum, Governor of Bottom State, Peter Umba, Governor of Enugu State, Governor Inu Ayaya, Governor of Gombe State, and Governor Alex Oti of Abia State. I cannot forget the earth mover, Governor Sheriff Oboweri, our nearest party governor. The Ebonyi is represented by the deputy governor. To you all, the members of the House of Assembly, the members of the cabinet, particularly your daughter here, who has been very passionate about Nigeria, and the cabinet of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Bianca Ojukwu. The Speaker, members of the State House of Assembly, my Lord, Honorable Chief Judge, and other judges here present, members of the State Executive Council, senior government officials, and my dear uncle, the man who God has blessed with great talent, great knowledge, a very patriotic Nigeria, who had supported the progressives, Chief Emeka Anyoku, GCON. Thank you for your remarks, and thank you for being here. Royal Fathers and all other clergies present here. The captains of industry, CEOs, all of you here present, in the interest of Federal Republic of Nigeria, I salute you. You want unity. You have shown a very great commitment to diversity. And I know that our diversity will lead to prosperity. We have the solution. We have Charles Soludo. Gentlemen of the press, the great youths of Anambra, the great youths of Anambra, the very dedicated, articulate youths of Anambra, to all of you, I say thank you for the welcome. About 30 months ago, I stood at this venue as candidate Bola Ahmed Tinubu, running for president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. In less than 2 years since assumption of office as your president, I thank you for your encouragement and your support. I am delighted to be back on a state visit and to commission some legacy projects by your government. I come as a friend to the great people of Anambra and the Southeast. Southeast, I salute your enterprise, your innovation, and your unwavering commitment to progress. Anambra has long stood as a beacon of commerce, intellect, and cultural strength, a pride not only to the Southeast, but to Nigeria as a whole. My visit today bears bold testament to parts of my speech during my campaign here. I recall vividly telling you then that Charles Soludo, your son, is my friend and still my friend. I salute his vision. He is a brilliant man. He has the brain, he is a thinker, he knows the way. We will work together inclusively. When I became the president, Soludo be one of those advisors who will bring prosperity back to you. From what I've seen and heard, from the evidence on the ground today, a solid foundation is being laid. And Anambra is on the rise. I've just commissioned several landmark projects, particularly the Solution Fund City, the Government House Mini City, the Anambra Tower of Light, the Heroes Salute status, and unveiling of the 8-lane Emeka Hanyoku Boulevard, which constitute part of the initial step on the path towards your audacious vision of Anambra, an African Dubai, Taiwan, Silicon Valley. Together with the massive infrastructure transformation and human capital development, these are bold statements of vision and what leadership achieved in such a short time, a few years ago. Dubai was largely a desert. Today, it is a global hub. Because one man dared to dream. I remember when Soludo wanted to consolidate the Nigerian banks. And many said it was impossible. It was done, and Nigeria became better for it. I also recall when we dared to tame the Atlantic Ocean, and many naysayers doubted it. We were determined and focused. We made it happen. So, Anambra has a huge potential, and with Soludo, we can all work together to fast-track the vision. I'm also happy to have commissioned the Emeka Anyaoku Institute for International Studies and Diplomacy at the Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka, naming the 8-lane boulevard that leads to the government house after Anyaoku is a befitting honor that will never go unnoticed. We appreciate you. I can see a deliberate program to honor our heroes past and present. I commend the governor for naming the road to the airport after its immediate predecessor. Let me commend the government of Anambra State for its proactive efforts in improving security of this state. I wish to assure you that the federal government will continue to partner with the state and the Southeast to secure our people and their future. I have taken serious note of various challenges facing the state and your request for assistance and partnership. Anambra, as the Gully erosion capital of the world, we do everything to make ecological investment that will remediate this. Anambra and Southeast have huge gas deposit. That is true, but largely bypassed by National Gas Master Plan. I assure you that will be rectified. Abandoned federal road projects that link Anambra through Kogi, they can become the fastest gateway between Abuja and Anambra South and South-South. I agree. Anambra completely bypassed by the Rail Master Plan. I'm standing before you that this already designed and Ministry of Transportation is aware to include the connection in the master plan, and it will see attention. With our progressive ideological alliance, we will continue to partner with your state to deliver shared prosperity in the Anambra and all Nigerians. As your president, I've always said, and I'm saying the same thing now, In our national anthem, we sing and praise our founding fathers that though tribes and tongue may differ, in brotherhood we stand. We will continue to be brothers. We are one family, single family, diverse, living in the same house called Nigeria. We are only staying in different rooms. Our diversity must lead to prosperity. We must work together to be a Nigerian. We will commit ourselves. You've seen the effort, the bold effort we've made when I came into the office. Yes, everyone has long recognized the imperatives of courage and our collective action, which were required to confront the wastefulness of the past, the ineptitude, to lay a strong foundation for a more stable, prosperous, inclusive economy. Already, we are seeing renewed investors' confidence in Nigeria. Small businesses are coming back, especially in tech, manufacturing sector, where Anambra is already excelling. Agriculture is receiving massive attention, and the results are beginning to show. We have negotiated and passed into law a new minimum wage. I'm glad I've been informed that Anambra is paying above national minimum. Building a critical infrastructure is the determination of this government. We have to invest in our future, the future of our children. And education is the greatest weapon against poverty. We must conquer out of school children. The children are our own. We must work for their future. Nigerian youths, Anambra, do you agree with me? Thank you. I feel deeply honored by the conferment of a chieftaincy title by all the traditional rulers of Anambra State.
Before I started running down,
on behalf of this
we
state.
need to abridge quite a whole.
In year 2005, the traditional rulers of Oka, His Royal Majesty Gibson Nwosu Eze Uzu II, conferred on me the title of Omenife of Oka. To now have all the traditional rulers of Anambra conferring another title on me today is not only historic, but one which I greatly treasure for the rest of life. Thank you to the traditional rulers. May your reign see prosperity. May Nigeria continue as a united country. Thank you, India Anambra. A lot of my friends are from Anambra here. Thank you very much. God bless you. Going forward, we are not just friends with Soludo and all of you. I am now bona fide son of the soil. One of your sons, I say your own son, maybe my friend and your governor, Charles Soludo, should find me a plot of land for my retirement home. You don't have to move me from the villa for only 1 week. Give me a permanent abode. I'll say it is well with Anambra. It is well with Nigeria. God bless Federal Republic of Nigeria. May our fighting men and women see victory. We will counter insurgency. We will defeat them. I assure you, this country is blessed. Anambra is part of it. Anambra is rising, and we will rise together. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you very much for listening.
Thank you very much. Let's rise, ladies and gentlemen, to pledge our allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria with the national anthem.
My people, I hope say so many of you now get wetin una wan talk concerning this particular video, but I will urge you to drop your own opinion for inside comment section. My people, e don red. And no matter I reserve my comment, e get why. My people, no be small thing o. As you dey see am, na so we take see am o. Don't forget say you see there for Blabbergist. As they watch the video, make sure say you share so that other people go get the information and know how it dey go.